You shoemakers who have clean and tidy workbench, I wonder how you do it. Well, today I'm making moccasin. How do they spell moccasin, by the way? Moccasin, yeah. First of all, let's have some mocha, some coffee, and then get right into what we have to do today. I'll quickly breeze through the entire process of designing on the last. As you guys know, I typically do not work with the designs that I have on my last. I will peel it off and work with a mean foam that I created on a flat piece of paper. So let's do the design first, and then we will make the mean foam. I know some of you will now be squeezing your nose in the comment section and be saying, what you are designing is loafers. It is not moccasin. What you are designing is loafers. It is not moccasin. What's the difference? What's the difference between loafers and moccasin? Let us ask Google. So I asked Google, and Google said,
Loafers have a Scandinavian origin, while moccasins have a Native American origin. The main difference between loafers and moccasin is that moccasins do not have heels, while loafers may or may not.
So, you see it? Henceforth, let no man trouble me. Now, I'm aware, however, that what some of you are actually requesting for is for those type of moccasins that you really don't have to last with pliers, a pair of lasting pliers, really. You just install the last into it and it basically takes shape. We're going to do all of that in another video, but just for good order and to follow up on the classes that we have already taught on loafers, we're going to make this one, especially considering that I have had questions related to some of the things that I have dealt with in my loafers classes. For now, let us do what we have to do. So in starting to design on this mean foam, take note that the last length is 26 cm, and of course we mark in all of our cardinal points. The tongue of these loafers will start about 1.5 cm beneath the instep, and the width of that tongue will be 1/8 of the last length. So we mark the rest of the tongue by connecting it to a point about 0.5 centimeter beneath the middle point of the vamp line. The other design elements on these loafers, I think, are things that you can actually follow along as you watch a demonstration of the design that I'm doing. I actually feel that giving you blow-by-blow commentary on each of the steps that I'm taking will confuse rather than explain what it exactly is that I'm doing. So for instance, you see that in this area where we have the apron, I am, keeping the stitching holes equidistant from each other, but then again I'm beginning to continue to explain what I'm doing. So I'll just let you observe, and every once in a while I'll come in to give you an explanation in places that I think they are required. So watch and enjoy.